How to see YouTube channel verification status. First, you want to simply open YouTube Studio on any kinds of browser over here. Once you're inside your studio, tap on Continue to Studio, and here you want to simply zoom in a bit and tap on three bars over here and tap on Dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, you want to simply tap on this setting icon at the bottom of your screen, tap on Settings, and you'd be able to see an option here called Channel. Tap on Channel, and inside your channel you want to simply go to the your advanced setting, and inside the advanced setting, if you scroll down, you want to simply go to feature eligibility over here. Your channel is verified. The verification status will be reflected on your channel where it is applicable. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.